Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today I will be showing you how to create these nude press-on nails that I did a few months ago actually. So let's get started. I am going to be using the Easy Basket square nails. I purchased these on Amazon and I will be linking the everything that I use on the description box. So right now I'm just looking for my size, whatever fits my nails. And this was before I organized all my nails. Right now all my nails are organized by size, so it's easier for me to pick them. Once I have selected all the sizes, I put the nails on these little sticks so it's easier for them to dry once I paint them, because I do paint my nails before applying them. And I'm going to be using this OPI nail polish, and this is called Dulce de Leche, and it's just a beautiful nude pink color. I added 2 coats of this nail polish to each nail, and I placed them on a foam block so it's easier for them to dry. Now for my accent nail, I will be using extra fine glitter that I purchased at Michael's. This is in the color rose gold, and all I do is grab the nail that I want the glitter to be in, and I just add another coat of nail polish to make sure the glitter sticks to it. And I find this way a lot easier. You just stick it in there and it's a lot less messier than if you do it when your nails are already on you. So you just flick the extra glitter off, and then you set it aside and let it dry. And now I'm just adding some nail glue to this nail. This will be my thumbnail, and I am adding some rhinestones to this. I'm going to be adding a big one in the middle, and then all around I will be adding the smallest rhinestones because I want this to be very simple but still have a little bit of sparkle. And this is where you can get super creative. You can add as many as you like, and you can do whatever pattern you like. And for a top coat, I will be using this Morgan Taylor Need for Speed quick drying top coat. This will make your nail polish dry faster, and it's going to make your nails look super shiny. This is my favorite top coat at the moment. As you can see, there are a little bit of glitter specks on the brush. You want to make sure you clean it with a paper towel before you put the brush back in the nail polish, because you don't want glitter in this nail polish, because if you do have glitter, it's just going to get all over the other nails. Now I'm going to prep my nails before adding my press-on nails. Now this is the incorrect way to prep your nails. This is not something that you want to do. I'm doing it because I want to protect my natural nails. So I'm just adding a coat of clear nail polish, because once you add a lot of glue to your nails, it makes your nails look kind of bad. But this is definitely not something that you want to do. I do have a video, my first nail video that I posted. It shows exactly what you need to do, but This is just because I want to protect my nails. Now I'm adding glue to the nail and to my natural nail, and I just add them one by one. I do one pinky first and then the other one. I alternate between hands because I find it that if I do one hand first, it's a little bit more difficult to do the other hand. I love the nail color, I love the shape, I love the size. I didn't have to cut them. Square nails are my favorite, and I just feel like it looks so beautiful. You can totally leave them like this and it's gonna look amazing. However, I just wanted something more. I feel like they looked a little plain for my taste. So I just went ahead and added some more rhinestones to the rest of the nails, and I just added them on the cuticle part. And this is the final look, you guys. I really love these nails. I love the way they came out. It's very simple but yet very sparkly. Perfect for a quinceañera, perfect for an everyday look. I love the way they came out. I don't show it on the video, but I did add a second coat of the Taylor Morgan top coat just to make sure it adds extra shine, and I love it. I also want to tell you guys that if you are doing your nails before you place them on your natural nail, I would wait like 2 hours. I think I waited 1 hour and they were okay, they were dry, but when you're pressing with your thumb, sometimes it can leave a print on them because they're not 100% dry. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!